Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will teach you about English Progressive, Class 2, Unit number 2, Lesson number 6 and 7, and it's on page number 16 and 17. Okay, open your book, page number 16. We already read about this lesson. In this lesson, we read about the black kite. Tariq had 3 kites. He liked the red kite best. A tall boy was flying a black kite. He cut down a tall boy's kite. Tariq was happy at the end. Mr. Yaz said, "Well done." What is meant by apostrophes? Apostrophes shows that letters are missing. Apostrophes, it is. In post office, we change it is into its. There, they are. Whose, who is. Where, we are. Your, you are. For example, Vicky and Mickey I have a plain conversation. Mickey is using the short form of the underlined word used by Vicky. Like I am coming to play with you. I am coming to play with you. The next one is you are getting very naughty. You're getting very naughty. The word I am and you are the short form of the word I am. You are. Like I'm, I am. You're, you are. A construction, a construction is a short way of writing two words together. I am, she is, you're, they. These are known as constructions. Remember, we leave out some sounds or letters in our constructions. And apostrophe is punctuation mark used in constructions. Okay, now move on your book, page number 16. Here you have given exercise B, and exercise B is read the questions and write short answers using options you have given already. The first one is yes, he was. The second one is no, he wasn't. And the third one is yes, he did. And the fourth one is no, he didn't. The first question is, was Mr. Riaz angry? No, he wasn't. The second question is, did Mr. Riaz help him? Yes, he did. The third one is, did the tall boy cut down Tariq's kite? In lesson 3, yes, the tall boy cut down Tariq's kite. But in lesson number 6, he didn't cut Tariq's kite? And the answer is no, he did. No, he didn't. Sorry. And the fourth question is, did Tariq cut down the black kite? Yes, he did. And the fifth question is, was Tariq happy at the end? Yes, he was. He was happy at the end. Okay, now move on page number 17. Lesson 7. And the lesson 7 is just for fun. Here you have given exercise A, and exercise A is, which way is the arrow pointing? Right, up, down, right, or left? Okay, look at the first arrow. Tell me, the first arrow is right or left? Yes, the first arrow is right. Now look at the second arrow. The second arrow is up or down? Yes, the second arrow is up. Look at the third arrow. The third arrow is on the left way. And the last arrow is on the down way. Right, सीधा, up, ऊपर, left, उल्टा, like एक right side को जा रहा है, दूसरा left way को जा रहा है, and the down is नीचा. Okay. Do exercise B on page number 16 on your notebook, and in page number 17 exercise B and C is your homework. So we have completed these lessons. Hope so you have fully enjoyed this lesson. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.